Hey, awesome music students, this is BenJammin, and we're working on the C, F to G chord, but instead of just a regular F, here's the C, we'll do the F major 7 chord by bringing these two fingers down one note. And then we have our G6 chord, which is a G with an E in it. And back to F major 7, and then to the C. F major 7, G6, F major 7. Now remember, on the C chord, we're only strumming down from this C note, which is the A string here. On the F major 7, we're strumming the bottom 4 strings. And the G6 for bottom 4 strings again. And back to the F major 7, C, F major 7, yeah, G6, F major 7, C, F major 7, G6, F major 7.